Are you looking for the best solar inverter? In this video, we will look at some of the best solar inverters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, 3000 W continuous power, withstanding 6000 W peak surges during load startup, and efficiently converting 12 volts DC to 120 volts AC pure sine wave with over 85% conversion efficiency, which reduces conversion loss. Safe for use powerful protection functions, including overvoltage protection, reverse fuse protection, high voltage cutoff protection, overcurrent and load shutoff protection, short circuit protection, and overthermal protection. Easy to operate, this inverter features an LED display that provides clear power usage information and operates quietly and coolly thanks to its intelligent silent fan. Perfect sine wave features a thicker PCB to improve load capacity, high-quality MOSFETs, and true copper inductance for perfect pure sine wave AC output, is well suited for powering sensitive electronic devices. Reliable quality, we offer a 12-month warranty on all products, and our expert team is always available to assist you. We typically respond to inquiries within 12 hours or less. The ultimate solution for off-grid power systems. With a continuous power capacity of 3000 W and the ability to withstand 6000 W peak surges, this inverter is perfect for powering appliances in vans, semi-trucks, fifth wheels, cabins, or remote locations. Acting as a DC to AC converter, the WZRELB 3000 W power inverter is easy to use and can power all household appliances. Advanced pure sine wave technology ensures excellent protection and extends the lifespan of electronics and appliances. The inverter operates quietly with high inductive loads, allowing your electronics to run smoothly, coolly, and quietly, without any buzzing sounds. Modified sine wave inverters are an older technology and generally less expensive. They can be used with many standard devices but may cause problems with sensitive electronic or audio equipment. Pure sine wave inverters are a larger investment but have a wider range of applications. A. Output voltage waveform is a pure sine wave with extremely low harmonic distortion, providing clean power just like mains power. B. Inductive loads such as microwaves and motors run faster, quieter, and cooler. C. Reduce audible and electrical noise in fans, fluorescent lights, audio amplifiers, TVs, gaming consoles, fax machines, and answering machines. D. Prevent computer crashes, strange print outputs, and malfunctioning and noise in displays. Number 2. Whether you are in one of the more modern cars, trucks and SUVs that already come USB ready, or you're driving an older model, taking your larger devices on the go means you still need a power inverter. Your car's USB port is perfectly capable of charging your phone, but your camera, laptop, drone, power tool or other larger device is going to need more power. And for big battery power away from home, a car power inverter provides the wattage you need, where and when you need it, for the job at hand. And car power inverters come in various shapes and sizes with a variety of uses beyond just charging gadgets. An inverter can power a game console to keep the kids entertained on a long road trip. In an RV, inverters provide AC power for small home and kitchen appliances like blenders, toaster ovens, microwave ovens and more. A truck outfitted with a powerful enough inverter becomes a mobile work site that powers tools and tech in remote location. Sure are some of the best car power inverters on the market now, based on user reviews at popular shopping sites and personal experience. Make sure to read on afterwards to find out more about power inverters, what makes them different and how to pick the right one for you. Bestech is a brand with a strong reputation that makes it an easy recommendation, and, at 300 watts, this is about as powerful an inverter as I'd be comfortable connecting to a car's accessory power. The unit features two 110-volt AC outlets and a pair of 2.4-amp USB ports that should make easy work of charging laptops, tablets and other electronics on the go. The aluminum design with an integrated cooling fan is good for keeping the internal electronics cool and strong enough to hold up to abuse, though you will have to find somewhere to mount the bulky box, preferably under a seat, using screws or strong adhesive. Number 3. This inverter converts 12 volts, 24 volts, 48 volts battery power into mains power 220V240V. 50 Hz. The inverter can power low-energy appliances such as laptops, mobile phone and tablet chargers, low-power LED lights, radio etc., and also more. Powerful household appliances if the inverter power rating, W, is higher. Please make sure that the total continuous power consumption of all your appliances is within the maximum power limit of the inverter. Be careful of appliances with Non-constant power consumption, as power spikes may cause overload and shutdown of the inverter. If you bought a 300W or 600W inverter, it might have come with cables with crocodile clips on the end. Use them for temporary connection only and replace by secure battery clamps or eyelet ring terminals as soon as permanent connection is required. Do not leave the inverter connected by crocodile clips unattended, as the connections might not be secure enough. In an unstable environment, your inverter is a high-power device which works under extreme pressure and dissipates heat while working. Please treat it with extreme caution in the same way as other high-power devices and appliances generating heat. Read all the precautions and safety measures in this user manual, including the Safety Precautions page at the end of the document. And make sure you understand them all. If you do not understand any of them, seek professional advice before using the inverter. The inverter generates heat while it is working. This is not a malfunction. The higher the power of the load that the inverter is running, the higher the temperature inside the inverter. If the temperature inside the inverter reaches plus 50 degrees Celsius, the cooling fan will automatically switch on. The fan will stop working when the temperature reduces. However, if the fan is working but the temperature inside continues to rise, the yellow-orange LED will turn on, if available on the inverter, and the inverter will make one beep before automatically shutting itself down. Even though the inverter can automatically restart when it has cooled down, you should disconnect all loads, disconnect the inverter from the battery and leave it to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. To avoid overheating in the future, consider Number 4. This power inverter 12 volts to 110 volts provides 2000 W continuous DC to AC power, 4000 W peak surge during load startup, 12 volts to 120 VAC pure sine wave with conversion efficiency greater than 90%, reduces conversion loss. Safe for use LED indicators for undervoltage and overvoltage protection, overtemperature protection, overload protection, and short circuit indication. Cooling funds and ground fault circuit interrupter GFCI protection. Protect your electronics. Advanced pure sine wave technology provides quality AC equivalent to grid power which will protect and extend the life of your electronics and appliances, such as floodlight, TV, freezer, laptop, tablet, etc. With its quiet and high inductive loads, the solar inverter operates with no buzzing sounds when your electronics are turned on and allow them to run smoother, cooler, and quieter. Easy to use. This 2000 W inverter 12 volts offers a built-in 5 volts, 2.1A USB port, 3 AC outlets and 1 AC terminal block, along with two 3FT4 Aruban Florence cables and a 19.8 feet wired remote, perfect for outdoor emergency AC power supply during work trips, camping and more. Notes: power input should be deep cycle battery of 80% discharge depth and above. Reliable quality ETL certified product ensures safety and quality. Durable metal housing protect the 12V to 110V converter from bumps and impact. High-speed ventilation fans help keep the pure sine wave inverter running at a low temperature.